We want them to fail fast.
Okay.
We want them to try out 15 things,
Yeah.
fail at 14. But I'll tell you one thing, when the 15th one comes around, it is going to be a rock solid solution.
So the International Data Corporation predicts that chief technology officers will spend at least 25%, a quarter of their budgets, on mobile application development, deployment and management in 2017. So how will Genymobile slash costs and expand productivity?
Excellent. So in order to understand the statistic, you have to first understand how are they getting to this point of 25%. It's not just providing or making sure that engineer is developing their application. They are looking at holistic approach towards the cost. That is, you are providing tools to engineers, you are providing tools to quality assurance QA people, you are providing tools to UI UX, that's creative guys. You are also factoring in costs to support these mobile applications. And last but not the least, you are factoring in cost when marketeers and salespeople are using these mobile applications in order to sell them, if that's the point of sale or that's the application is what is being sold. Now, think about it. When they are putting this amount of money aside for mobile applications, they are indeed going to look for tools that help them get there. They want to do more with less. That's where we come in. When you look at Genymotion Cloud, this is, as I mentioned, the most comprehensive industry-first approach towards whole mobile application lifecycle. In layman's term, now every person in this mobile application value delivery chain, engineering, QA, help desk, sales, marketer, UI UX people, they all will need only one thing, a browser. And they will be able to conduct their business. They will be able to develop, test, deploy, and support all those mobile applications without having to buy additional software, without having to install hardware, because it's not just a matter of buying it one time or licensing it once. It's about buying or licensing and then supporting it forever. Now all they need is their American Express.
Oh God. Now Mittal, you've got a wealth of experience. I mean, you are really at the top of your game, and you must have worked with so many different people on so many different levels in different sectors as well. So speaking from such a position of experience, how do you think it's best to nurture talent, to help people grow? How would you do that?
Sure. So we are doing it right now at Genymobile, so I can share with you from here and even from my past experiences, is that in order to nurture talent, you let them do what, maybe cultivate their creativity, let them try out new things, give them enough rope that they are able to do what comes to their mind, let them fail first. For example, one of the things we are doing here is that ideas can come from anywhere. Are we willing to accept those, let them try those things? That's what has enabled us to produce this kind of industry-first solution.
So it doesn't matter to you if someone fails?
No.
No.
We want them to fail fast.
Okay.
We want them to try out 15 things,
Yeah.
fail at 14. But I'll tell you one thing, when the 15th one comes around, it is going to be a rock solid solution. So we have gone through motions with Genymotion Cloud before this came out. This is not an accident. Right now we are at a point with Genymotion Cloud where we have tested so many variety of technologies, and all of our engineers, all of our QA, everybody, they were given enough rope that try things, see if it works. You let them loose and they will come out as winners. And that has worked in cultivating their talent.
Fantastic. And Mittal, just very, very lastly, what draws you to events such as Cloud Expo Europe? What do you find really, really appealing about coming here?
Excellent. So if you just look around, everybody is here flaunting the best. This is all about, so this is one of those very few events where every enterprise, every vendor here is bringing their A game. They are bringing their solution that's going to deliver more with less in every walk of life. So here I am talking about Genymotion Cloud that's really going to change the equation for mobile application lifecycle. And I've already met with few folks here where they are showing their solutions for the first time, and they are going to change the equation in every area that they are approaching. Now, you cannot find a better venue than this to come and talk about your product, to launch a product. So just yesterday we launched it, we entered into private beta, and we have 2 industrial grade customers using this right now. And that's why I'm here. I want to share with everybody. That's what we are going to do tomorrow at 1 p.m. At the booth, at the show.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Fantastic. Thank you. Thanks, Mittal. So, sort of like the mecca for tech exhibitors.
Excellent.
That was Mittal Parekh, VP of Product and Strategy at Genymobile, speaking to us here at Cloud Moves TV. Mittal, thank you very much for your time.
My pleasure.
Thank you.